Welcome to the 6th class of Khaita Joyful Dances. Today we will train what we have already learned, apply the steps with two dances, Zedan Laza and Local Juni. First Zedan Laza, so what we have basic step that we already know. We have lateral step. The version we will use of lateral step is where we cross with the first step. So I will go like this. When I go to left side, remember this is my right with the ribbon, I cross right and then I continue. And then I cross left and I continue. So I stay like this, I will cross 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will use this lateral step. Then we have crossing step. Remember, crossing step in general is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we go first left in front of right, back, up, down. Right in front of left, back, up, down. And in general we count like this. We count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this dance today, the counting will start earlier. I mean, the 1 will be not when I bring my foot in front, but in the previous step. So will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The step is the same, crossing step is exactly the same, but it's different when I start to count. Because if we count, then if I don't say this, can be confusing for some of us that are dancing and learning with the counting. Okay, so today we will do like this. 1, starting right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I always start with right. Right will be 1. Another step that we use today in this dance is very simple, we did already. It's just step up, step up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So all dance is a combination of this movement. There is also one turn that we do with 3 steps, 3 count. We turn to our right side with right step, 1, 2, 3. And the 4 count we stay. So we turn to right, clockwise direction, 1, 2, 3. If I am like this, I show you 1, 2, 3. So we do one full turn with 3 steps, and then the 4th step for time, for beat, will remain. And the sequence is like this. We do 6 times lateral step, starting 1, and then 2. For 6 times we do this lateral step. And then we have the refrain, and the refrain will be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 time the basic step, always in 4 count, and then 2 times crossing step, what we have already seen before. And then there is another part of the refrain where we have again 1, 2, 3, 4, and again 1, 2, 3, 4. Basic step, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we turn, as I said before, 1, 2, 3, 4, we stay. So the song is always like this. Lateral steps 6 times, musical part or refrain where we do this. Again, lateral step with the singing, musical part. There is one moment where the refrain will have only half part of the dance. It's easier when we will see with the music, and when we try it will be easier to understand. Anyway, in general, I repeat, refrain is like this. We do 1, 2, 3, 4. So this 2 times this movement. Basic step and crossing step. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeating. 1, 2, 3, 4. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turning. 1, 2, 3. From here, we do again lateral step. Only once, as I was saying before, only once we will do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Basic. Crossing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Crossing. 4. And then immediately lateral step. So we miss the second part of the refrain. But I think we do now the dance. I will do first in this position, and I will say what we are going to do. And then we repeat once in front. We will start with the refrain and then lateral step. Basic step, crossing, crossing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Basic step, turning. 1, 2, 3, lateral. We repeat 6 times lateral. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Basic. Crossing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step up, step up, step up, step up. Basic, turn. Now male singing. One, 2, 3, 4. Crossing. 4 times this. Musical refrain. Basic step, crossing. Crossing. 4 times this movement. Basic and turning. Lateral. Female singing. One, 2, 3, 4, basic, crossing. Crossing. 1, 2, 3, 4, repeat. Basic, turning. Male singing. Basic, crossing, now turn, crossing, and now lateral step immediately. One, 2, 3, 4. Basic. crossing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times this, going up, basic and turning. Okay, now we do again. I will face, I will not say what we do. But remember, maybe you notice, so in the singing part, it's like this. First female sing, male sing, and then musical refrain. Again, female sing, male sing, musical refrain. And the second time of the musical refrain is shorter than the first. It's what I said before, that we do only half part of the step. Then again they sing together, and the last part of the refrain, and then is finished the dance. So we repeat now. Now we will do a very simple dance, lo cor chuni. Lo cor is the cycle of the year, no? So it means that it speaks about the 12 months and what happened in every month. And this is number 142 of Mekor collection. Here we have lateral step, as the one that we did before. We have a basic step, and then again we have, like before, we have step up, step up, step up, step up, repeating 4 times this movement. So basically, same movement of the previous dance, but simple, because we don't have the crossing step and the turning. So I think we do directly in front and we train together a very, very simple dance. start immediately with a lateral step, going to the left with right arm. Now we go. Step up, step up, step up, basic step, lateral. Basic step. Basic step, lateral. Step up 4 times. Basic. Now we repeat. And again. Repeat last time. Now we will train a third dance. It's called Lilangialmo, means harmonious, something harmonious. And it's the number 135 belonging to Mekor collection. So, in this dance we have all steps that we already know. So we have lateral step that we train today many times, and the arms will be like this. So you see they are going not too high. So first I move down and then up on level of shoulder. Okay? So every time down, up on level of shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have crossing step. Basic step. We start with basic step. Simple way. Also the arms will be like this, very simple. And then lateral crossing step. We already know. And now we count 1. So the 1 will be the step in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, as we learned in the previous lesson. And the arms is particular, so will be like this. Try to understand how they do. We can train together. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 in front, right arm and foot. 2 back, up, 4. 1 in front, same direction, arm and leg go in the same direction. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. After crossing step, we have turning. So we will turn counterclockwise around left side. So will be this direction. And how we turn? Remember we did already this step, heel, step, heel, step. We have already learned. Let's train a little bit. Heel, step, heel, step. Heel, step, heel, step. Heel, step, heel, step. So I turn in this way. Heel, step, heel, step. Heel, step, heel, step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe you notice that with the first part, first half of the counting, I'm already almost at the end of my turning. So I do 1, 2, 3, 4. I do already 3/4 of the turning with the first two count. So I repeat, I do 1, 2, I'm almost here, 3, 4. I do now like that. This is important to understand, because if I start and I'm only here, then I have to do full turn, and it's very complicated. So with the first, I will be 1, 2, 3, 4. With the first 3/4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's very important, the arm movement that helps to turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have basic step, lateral step, crossing, turning, again crossing twice, once in other direction, again turning. Then we have up, step, we did already, only that before, in the previous dance, we did like this, step, up. You see the difference? Before we did step, up, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 touch, 2 up, 3 touch, 4 up. Now it's different because 1 is up, 1 touch, 3 touch, 1, 2, 3, 4. And basic step. And then again lateral. Very simple, as you can see. So the first time, after crossing, turning, crossing, turning, we do 1 time lateral step, 1 time basic step, and again starting with lateral. The second time, we have to do twice basic step, and then again lateral. And this is until the end. The very last part will be just a little different, but we will do together. So now I do first on this direction, and I will tell you what we do. I will lead. Second time I will do in front. We start with basic step now. Simple way of arms moving. And when start singing, we go lateral step, toward left, with the right foot. Now we go crossing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turning. Crossing. turning, up step, basic, lateral. Now we will do the crossing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turning. Heel step. Again, crossing. Turning. Heel step. Up, down. 2 times basic. And lateral. Crossing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, turning, heel step, crossing, turning, heel step, up step, basic, lateral. Remember, now preparing for the crossing. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. Turning, heel step, crossing. Turning, heel step, up, down. Basic, now it's toward the end. Basic, up, down. So as you see, the end is a little different. So we have up, down, basic step. And again, we have up, down, basic step. And then it's finished. Now we repeat again, and I will do facing in front. you.